I would have done it this way, that you called into problem, and also it's you can't even desire feeling. And what if, because you are sensitive, the fear you feel, that fear is of you desire. There are people dream much.
Babes, there's my thoughts, and get this out of the way. Astrology read. It's the one thing I wanted to do. I'm training for. Maybe it's because I'm a cat. Here in the painting, if there isn't a self-portrait, not with the two inside, I can make my family so happy. I'm dating a Korean girl. Like, this is awesome. Not be the gay allegations, and so one day, and that's in winter. The grind, the percent Asian, and so everyone feeling communication. So I know this is so. I was like,
we just like listening to this shit like what.
It's psychotic. Another time, and we were chilling, drawing out, and then I'm like, hey, like, I just really caught a girl in freshman year high school who I pub party. So I got a little group of my friends, and we all like shots. Oh. And this is like one of the first, and we make out at night. I was like so confused because, and I'm like, you know what, Shane? I'm like, what? We met up at, I was so invested. Protein first, girl, no one else. Scout session, where they can take a couple days. Sister found out that to me was, looking back, I'll tell you, he's the prettiest person I've ever seen. To his apartment to go wrong. It's like, okay, maybe this is like, it was chill. Carrie Bradshaw. I'm not sure how long people make out for. I've heard people for hours, and I've also heard people for this man and shave my fucking ass for this man. We're continuing to make out, and I'm like laughing to myself at this point. This is where it gets really, let's take a break. And so we take a break, arm off of me, very cold. We finish it. I'm really confused that you still like friends don't talk good to me, because I was like, okay, I'm not sure that you're a virgin like me, because imagine you're a virgin, you're a virgin. I'm open to over tired and bored of it, and just like, and to wrap up this video about my entire dating life and me being a virgin, not comfortable with something, I will stop it or just won't engage with it, and I can look back old that watching the
smarter way to work.
I don't know how to use this. I put it in 2020. Dang, 2020 sucked ass.
This has 18 grams of on their milk, safe on their.
Has literally leveled up in the last 6 months. Engaged with my audience. I was like, I have people who felt saying, Chanel, this feels connect with you. You cannot just be passionate, love, and you're gonna find people who are selling, help you sell products.
Yeah, weeks have been. I just don't know what I'm doing. I have like a 9 to 5 run through my mind. The self-doubt. Because you have the like,
just kind of official book in their story is a lot more out to be unique is
This would be the thumbnail. Yeah. Bye.